Hey everyone, welcome back to Verified Gains. Happy Monday. Hope everybody has a good week. So, I just wanted to make another quick video, 5 minutes hopefully. Let's keep it under five. Just to go over the most recent market price action, try to make sense of what's going on, and just set up my DCA for this coming Friday, where I will once again allocate some of the cash into Solana. So let's go ahead and check it out. So starting with the Bitcoin chart, we continue to trend down, although largely sideways, but more recently we continue to trend down, possibly retesting the $92,500 mark. No real catalyst so far. Like I've mentioned on my previous video, we are expecting the FOMC minutes in 2 days. And, I was reading some articles. Well, today is President's Day. It's a US holiday. So maybe that's why the price is dropping. I disagree. I mean, just because a holiday doesn't mean, people sell off their cryptocurrency. It's not, like Christmas or Thanksgiving. It is just a 1 day holiday. I don't think that's the real reason here. What I do predict is that maybe, a few months from now, we're going to magically read an article that states, oh, this large institution sold off some of their Bitcoin, um, off their balance sheet. And that's why, the price dropped back in mid-February. Something along those lines, okay? So, like I've said many, many times before, don't stress out about what's going on. If you do want an explanation, um, my reasoning would be the upcoming FOMC minutes, and people are simply taking a cautious approach. Essentially, they're waiting for some catalyst before they buy back in. And just quickly going over, so a lot of people are very bullish on Ethereum right now, and I can see why. Of course, there are talks of, government entities or, other large institutions buying possibly Ethereum. And Ethereum has largely performed subpar during this bull cycle, and most notably in the last 1 year, which essentially would be the sort of the quote unquote, bull phase, but, it really hasn't done anything price wise. And so a lot of people are saying, well, it's overdue for an upside price action, and they're sort of, banking on that. I mean, what would be the upside potential? Well, potentially about 50%, which would be, great. I mean, I hope that happens. For me, I've largely swapped my Ethereum to Turbo meme coin. So that's where most of my Ethereum is parked, so to speak. But Ethereum is good. I think there's still a lot of potential in Ethereum. I don't think it's as good as Solana, but certainly a lot of projects are based on the Ethereum network. So, I hope to see Ethereum increase in price as well. And then last but not least, Solana. So here this morning, I just changed this to a red line. So now the 187 is really a horizontal resistance line. Before that was a support line, and I was really hoping that we would stay above the $187 mark up until this Friday, so I could DCA around 187. But we continue to trend down. Same thing, probably FOMC minutes, or a few months down the road, we're going to hear about some large institutions saying they sold off Solana. In either case, we're looking at, at first, resistance around the $176 mark. So I'll make a quick line over here. Okay, so this is our first resistance. And the second possibility is around 169. Okay, so not as significant as the 187, but these are two additional horizontal, well, excuse me, support lines where I do expect there to be some sort of support and consolidation, but we'll see. Okay, so if it's anywhere around here, then yeah, that would be a good price for me to dollar cost average into. If we do break down below that, I mean, honestly, that would be a little detrimental, but all we can do is just check the charts on a daily basis and make the best decision based off of that. So, the video is already 6 minutes long. Let's stop here. Um, let's touch base again if there's any significant price action. I will say though, so I know a lot of people are probably not as interested in cryptocurrency just because the prices have been falling. It's no longer the hottest topic. But guess what? The people who are here watching these videos and listening in during the down days, during the red days, and during the days where we're just chopping sideways in terms of Bitcoin, those are the people that are going to be successful during any cryptocurrency market, phase, if you will. So just keep that in mind, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.